Want to grow your wealth but don't know where to start? Investing can feel intimidating, especially when you're just starting. That's why I'm breaking down the top 5 investments for beginners designed to help you build wealth fast. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future and start building wealth? Let's get right into it. First up, we're talking about the stock market. When you invest in the stock market, you're essentially buying a small piece of ownership in a company. As the company grows and becomes more profitable, so does your investment. The stock market is known for its potential for high returns, but remember, with higher returns comes higher risk. That's why diversification is key. Spread your investments across different companies and industries to minimize risk. With fractional shares, you can buy a portion of a share in companies like Apple or Tesla, even with a small amount of money. Investing in the stock market is a long-term game. Don't panic sell when the market dips. Ride out the waves, and over time, you'll be amazed at how much your wealth can grow. Next up, we're diving into the world of real estate, a classic investment strategy that stood the test of time. Real estate offers the potential for both passive income and appreciation. Passive income comes in the form of rent. When you own a rental property, you're creating a stream of income that flows in month after month. Over time, real estate tends to increase in value, which means your initial investment can grow significantly. Real estate can require a lot of upfront capital, but it doesn't have to. You can start small by investing in REITs or real estate investment trusts, which are like mutual funds for real estate. You can also explore options like house hacking, where you live in a property while renting out the other rooms or units to cover your mortgage and potentially generate extra cash flow. Next, mutual funds investing made easy. Mutual funds are a fantastic option for beginners who want to invest in the stock market but might not have the time or expertise to research and select individual stocks. A mutual fund pools money from multiple investors and invests it in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. This means you get instant diversification without having to do all the heavy lifting yourself. Mutual funds typically have lower minimum investment requirements compared to investing in individual stocks, making them accessible to a wider range of investors. Look for funds with low expense ratios, as these fees can eat into your returns over time. With a little bit of research, you can find mutual funds that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Mutual funds offer built-in diversification, reducing your overall risk. Next, ETFs, the power of diversification at your fingertips. ETFs are similar to mutual funds in that they offer instant diversification, but with a key difference. ETFs are traded on stock exchanges just like individual stocks. This means you can buy and sell ETFs throughout the trading day at prices that fluctuate in real time. ETFs also tend to have lower expense ratios compared to mutual funds, making them a cost-effective investment option. ETFs offer diversification by investing in a basket of assets such as stocks, bonds, or commodities. You can find ETFs that track specific market indexes such as the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ 100, or ETFs that focus on specific sectors like technology, healthcare, or renewable energy. This allows you to tailor your investments to your specific interests and investment goals. Finally, high-yield savings accounts, your safety net for growth. Let's dive into the importance of having a safety net in your investment strategy. This ensures that you can weather any financial storm and continue to grow your wealth securely. High-yield savings accounts offer safety and liquidity. When you deposit money in a high-yield savings account, it's insured by the FDIC up to $250,000 per depositor per insured bank. This means your money is protected even if the bank were to fail. Liquidity is another major advantage of high-yield savings accounts. You can access your money whenever you need it, without penalty. High-yield savings accounts are ideal for emergency funds, short-term savings goals, or simply parking your cash while you decide where to invest it next. They provide a solid foundation for your financial plan, offering a safe and accessible place to grow your money while you explore other investment opportunities. There you have it, the top 5 investments for beginners to grow your wealth fast. Remember, the key to successful investing is to start early, diversify your investments, and stay consistent. Ready to start growing your wealth? Pick one of these investments and take the first step today. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to compound and grow exponentially. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on growing your wealth.